Hi guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. So today on the channel we're going to be making a dessert pizza. And I have made a dessert pizza on my channel in the past, and you can check that out up in the cards and also down in the description. But today we're going to be making a dessert pizza on a pre-made pizza dough, and it's going to be a summer version. Now this is optional, but I thought this pizza needed a little something extra, a little more color. So I whipped up a mixture of raspberry preserves, water, and confectioner sugar, and just drizzled that on top. And that is how you make a very simple and quick dessert pizza for summer. And feel free to play around with the fruits that you use on this. You could even use chocolate. I just associate summer with more fruity flavors. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments. Do you like more chocolate during the summer, or do you like more fruity things? Feel free to check out my other version of dessert pizza that will be down in the comments, and try both and tell me what you think. As always, if you guys like this one, don't forget to leave me a like down below. Also, don't forget to leave me any comments for what you would like to see next. And subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!